Horseshoe Run is Traditions of America's newest 55-plus community. But this isn't just another beautiful neighborhood. It's a designer sitting beside you, helping bring your dream home to life. A lifestyle director who makes every week feel like something worth celebrating, and a group of friends you can't wait to see every day. Horseshoe Run, the best place you'll ever live.
After 30 years of building communities across the Mid-Atlantic region,
6 years ago, Traditions of America opened our very first 55-plus community in Chester County, West Brandywine, followed shortly by Brandywine Farms. Our newest community, Horseshoe Run, will establish Traditions of America as the preeminent builder of 55-plus communities in Chester County, Pennsylvania.
From rolling hills to mature trees and being close to everything, Horseshoe Run is the perfect place to build a 55-plus community.
As perfect as Horseshoe Run's setting is, it's the people who truly make it feel like home.
The people that I have met here, many of them have become like family. It's just amazing.
It's so easy to make friends here because everybody just seems so happy with their resort-style living.
At Horseshoe Run, the day you move in is the day life begins to feel like a vacation.
Living at Traditions of America, we're on vacation every day.
Yep, it's Friday every day.
Life is here. It's not in Cancun. It's not in Florida. It's right here.
Step out of your dream home into the soaring ceilings of the Horseshoe Run Clubhouse with its sports bar, 5-star fitness center, golf simulator, then fling open the doors to the most beautiful pool you've ever seen, pickleball courts, bocce ball, and a dog park your best friend is going to love. And when you do decide to head out,
You are very close to anything you want to do. Grocery stores, theaters, any kind of markets, they're all within real short distance.
We love all the awards Traditions has earned, but even more meaningful is when a customer comes up to me and says, "This is the best place we've ever lived."
Life at Traditions of America is amazing.
Traditions of America is like college for adults without the homework.
This community has everything that you would ever need for an active lifestyle. My only regret is we didn't do it years ago.
where every day feels like the best day of your favorite vacation, where you're surrounded by friends who feel like family, where you come home to the house you've dreamed about for years. It's time to fall in love with life again at Horseshoe Run.